Welcome to Madeira. Whether you're running away from politics or chasing your next adventure, we're happy to have you. Today, we're cruising across this stunning island in our shiny red Ferrari. Okay, alright, it's not a Ferrari. It's our baby blue 1970 VW Bug. But let's get real. Life's all about perspective, and with views like this, it's easy to feel like royalty. Life is good. You just have to make it do so. And we should have done this sooner. Madeira Island is a place that begs you to explore, to slow down, and to soak in the beauty at every turn. And to soak it in, we will, because today is a big adventure. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at www.it'llbefunretirement.com. Life is short. Enjoy it. So, we make our videos about our experiences living abroad so that all of you can use it to chase your own dreams. Well, today, we wanted to go over some of the nicest things we've experienced since coming across the water. My beautiful daughter Mindy came to visit us for her birthday, so that meant we needed to plan a very special evening. So to celebrate Mindy's birthday, we made a reservation at Gazebo, a one-of-a-kind dining experience here in Funchal. Chef Felipe Janeiro has crafted a 5-course menu that's both seasonal and spectacular. The food there was excellent, while many course meals have always felt a bit questionable to me. Like most times, each and every course was amazing. I wouldn't have skipped even one course if I was asked. It was nice. We never spent that much on one single meal. Although we eat out a lot more than we did back in the US, we prefer quaint or out-of-the-way restaurants. It's a habit, really. Well, when we go out to a place like Gazebo, it really makes me wonder if I should go out more often. Next stop, Cidade. If luxury had a home, this would be it. Imagine stepping into a world of automation so easy to use that even we mastered it. The engineering of the water and electrical is so astounding that I can't do justice for it here. The villa is designed for the ultimate comfort and style. Cidade's gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, and its indoor dining area offers views that make every meal feel like a celebration. The villa boasts 2 living rooms, one perfect for entertaining, the other one cozy and intimate for movie nights with family and friends. There's even a library to sit and enjoy the day. Step outside from any spot in the house, and the magic continues. An outdoor kitchen, herb gardens, bonsai gardens, and a 3-tiered pool make this villa an entertainer's paradise. Upstairs, you can take the French oak staircase or elevator, because why not? The second floor features an office, a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and the master bedroom, complete with its own Roman spa. Glass walls and balconies let you wake up to breathtaking ocean views every morning. And if that wasn't enough, there's more below. 2 additional bedrooms, each with garden access, complete this incredible hillside retreat. This villa isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. You can go everything you need and never leave if you wanted. If you haven't figured out already, today is about showing you the high end of what life can be here on Madeira. Madeira Island in Portugal is classically known for being affordable European island getaway. And for a lot of people like us, it's a dream destination to retire to, where money can go a long way. The weather on the island is nice year-round, the people are friendly, etc. With activities ranging from whale spotting to mountain hikes, and locales ranging from UNESCO World Heritage Forest to black sand beaches, the island has everything. However, the desirability of the island also means that you can live really nice here. Today, we have two properties we want to show you through Prometheus, displaying that high-end luxury living that the island is very well and truly capable of. Our next stop is Aurora, and I must admit, it is our favorite. This villa is perched off the side of a mountain. The design is bold, modern, and filled with beautiful oak accents that provide a warm, completely unforgettable feeling. It's spread across 3 floors, each with its own deck and garden. It's a masterpiece of design. The top floor is home to a gourmet kitchen, one that even Leslie approves of, and a great room that feels as grand as its name suggests. The wall of glass invites you to step outside, breathe the ocean air, and take in the endless views. From there, head down the floating oak staircase surrounded by glass. On the second floor, you'll find 2 bedrooms with ensuite and private balconies, plus a master suite with its own outdoor hot tub. Imagine ending your day with a soak, watching the sun dip below the horizon. But the real showstopper is at the bottom. Here you will find a pool, a sauna, an ice bath, and a gym. Then there's the garden room, a serene sitting area with its own waterfall. It's the perfect spot to relax and let the world fade away. But at the end of the day, luxury isn't just about a nice home. If that were the case, I'm sure there's a mansion in the middle of a swamp in Mississippi just for you. No, luxury needs to have something more to enjoy. Something special just outside the home. The island of Madeira has that. So let's run through a few. The Lower Silver Forest is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most magical places on Earth. Walking through these ancient trees, you feel a connection to something timeless. Up here, on the top of the island, you can gaze down through clouds over the expansive ocean below. We've been thinking about getting a full membership to the golf course here. Well, soon to be 3 golf courses. Let me describe one of them for you. Just picture a world-class golf course with 3 9-hole courses, one facing up the mountainside and 2 facing down towards the ocean far below. If you don't already know how to golf, it will make you want to learn. The island of Madeira is, well, an island. And with that comes beaches. The island has several notable beaches for surfing, swimming, or just for a day out. You may find yourself at a black sand beach, laying out in the sand at Machico or maybe Calheta. Just around the corner, a plethora of excellent restaurants. Or maybe you wish to surf, so you will head out to Porto de Cruz. And of course, the countless hikes. Madeira Island is known for this thing called a lavada. Lavadas are old waterways used to bring water across the island for farms. These waterways come along with excellent level paths that can be walked. Thousands of kilometers of them crisscross the island. Beautiful views abound. From gourmet dining to architectural marvels and natural beauty, Madeira offers life like no other. If you're dreaming of experiencing it for yourself, contact Priyesh Patel at Prometheus for these incredible villas or your custom design. And as always, Claudia is here to handle everything for you. Their details are in the description below and on our website. Don't forget to mention us so we get credit for bringing a little joy to your life. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at www.it'llbefunretirement.com. And before you go, a special offer just for you. Our ultimate Moving Abroad program is on sale for the holidays, 50% off. If you're ready to take the leap and live your dream life abroad, this program has everything that you need to make it happen. Find out more at www.it'llbefunretirement.com and support us on Patreon at patreon.com/it'llbefun. Life is good. You just have to make it so.